Hi, this is Dan Soy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learn recipes as one. Today we have a really unique recipe. It's one that's really tasty, and it's really easy to make, especially if you make the shrimp and bacon up ahead of time. So for today's recipe, we have the shrimp that I already did. You can see that it's already golden brown. I did it in olive oil. And if you watch my previous videos, you can see how you do that. But we're still going to go back to that because we're going to add Cajun spice to it. So with the rest of the recipe, here's that Cajun blend. So we're going to still do that. We got this garlic mayo avocado. We have the buns that are already charred and done in garlic butter, lettuce, tomato, and bacon. So the thing is with this Cajun blend, you want to add 1 teaspoon to every pound of fish or poultry. So we're going to get started. Since this is already cooked, we're going to throw in like a tablespoon of that Cajun, and then we're going to cook that a little bit. Then we're just going to throw the sandwich together. Like I said, if you do the bacon and shrimp ahead of time, then this is only like a 5 or 6 minute sandwich, and I can guarantee you this tastes good. So this is Friday's upload. Be back. Alright, so there's our Cajun blend. There's that tablespoon. Just sprinkle that in there. Put your stove on low and just start mixing this. If you want, you could add more Cajun to it, but just try to get Cajun like all over the shrimp. Alright, so now we have that Cajun spice in there. Just cook this for like 1 or 2 minutes on medium or low, and just get all that Cajun in there. If you don't want that spiciness of Cajun, you could have left the shrimp as is, or you could have added like a garlic lemon. It's all up to you. It's like I always say with our cooks, I'm giving you an idea, something to try, and you could tailor it to your needs. So thanks for being part of my channel. I'll bring you 2 to 3 uploads a week. I'm going to be changing the cover of my YouTube page soon. I'll be bringing you 2 to 3 updates a week, maybe in the future more. So just do this for like another minute, and then we'll turn it off. Let it cool for a bit, then we'll make our sandwich. Alright, so you can see that we're done. I turned the stove off and let this just sit for a minute, and then just stir occasionally. But look at that shrimp. Like I said, if you don't want the Cajun taste, you could have left it alone, or you could add whatever seasoning you want. So as that cools down, we have all our ingredients here: the tomatoes, the buns, the butter lettuce, and the bacon. And we'll go back to that avocado garlic mayo. So just let this cool down for a minute, and then we'll make the sandwich. And I'm coming to you today in 1080p POV, point of vision, where you see everything from my eyes and my hands. Alright, so we're going to start with this garlic avocado mayonnaise. You see the consistency? There's the bun. So if you want, put the mayo on both sides. It's up to you. If you wanted to use a different sauce for the bottom, you can, but just spread this mayo. Put on as much as you want. That's the first step. Alright, so you see that we got the mayo on there? Look at the mayo with that char. So here's the bottom. The thing we're going to do is look at the shrimp. Look at the colors. That's why the Cajun brings this out. So just start lining your shrimp on your bun, and look at the different colors in there in the oil. Like after you're done with that, look at the stuff in the pan. You could use bread to dip that in there and soak it up and enjoy another meal. So right now, just get your shrimp on this bun, and then we'll top it with the other stuff. Alright, so you can see that that's done. And we actually even have more left over to snack on. So after that, you're going to want to do is take your bacon and put some bacon over top of this. So it's basically a BLT Cajun Shrimp Sandwich. So just put your bacon on there. And like I said, it's all up to you. This is your cook. And customize it the way you want. Alright, so we're going to put our lettuce on here, which is butter lettuce. And then we're going to take our tomato and put that on there. If you wanted other stuff, you could. If you want it, you could put another layer of mayo on here or something else. But look, we have that left and we have the shrimp left. But this is how you make a really quick BLT Cajun Shrimp Sandwich. Alright, so you can see the quality of that. Now we'll just put it together and that's it. Alright, so there you have it. Friday's upload. The BLT Cajun Shrimp Sandwich. If I said chicken before, sorry. I'm not sure. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to keep it as is. But look at that sandwich. You have the charred bread, the lettuce, the tomato, and I can guarantee you all these tastes just pop in your mouth because you have the Cajun, you have that garlic mayonnaise, and then you add the lettuce and tomato. Like I said, you could add more stuff to this if you wanted to. You could add like a thin layer of cocktail sauce, tartar, whatever you want to do. So there you have it. Your BLT Cajun Shrimp Sandwich. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is Friday's upload. I will see you next week, Monday and Wednesday, hopefully. I have planned a lot more recipes. I'm going to also bring you most likely a cheesesteak sandwich on one of these buns with cheese whiz, a really quick one just to show you a different idea. But you have a good weekend and I'll see you soon. Dan Soy, peace.